from Vinny Reviews It. This is a great product called Tuff. I've been using this stuff since the 80s. It's probably one of the best multi-purpose foam cleaners you can get. It's great for automotive, great for carpeting, upholstery, pretty much anything. Gets rid of grime, grease. So this is an Amazon affiliate video. We do make a small commission if you buy this product through the link that we put in the video description. Please do so. It helps keep me making more videos like this and showing you some really great products. So we have some heavy makeup stains over here on the carpet from my wife, and I'm going to spray this stuff down. It's foam and it actually has a really nice smell. It's nothing real chemical. It smells really clean. So I'm going to pre-treat this with the Tuff stuff. Spray it down and then come back in a little while. You could do this by hand. I've cleaned this by hand with a rag, but I actually have a carpet cleaner which I'm going to run over this. But I've used the carpet cleaner without Tuff stuff. It does not get the makeup out. So we're going to test out this Tuff stuff. I know it's going to come through. So see you guys in a little bit. All right, use the carpet machine on here. And here's a pretty good, there was a lot of makeup on here. There was mascara, blush, very hard to get out. Even, like I said, with the carpet machine, even with the OxyClean stuff that I use in there is good. It definitely gets a lot of the stains out, but the real kicker is this stuff, guys. Tuff stuff. Works great in the car. Plastic, it's pretty safe on everything. I used to use this on my mountain bike sometimes to degrease stuff. Gets all the crud off. Anyway, guys, definitely worth buying. Please like, share, and subscribe. And again, if you purchase this, please use the affiliate link in the description. And we'll see you all on the next video.